To get started with pdfFiller, upload a document or template, create a blank document, or browse an online library to find the document you need. Let's begin with uploading a document. Once you're in the editor, you can start making changes to your PDF right away. Erase text, fill out blank fields, or replace original PDF content. Add your logo or another image to a PDF and adjust its size and position. Turn a static PDF into a dynamic form by dragging and dropping fillable fields on your document. Add signature fields, date fields, or other types of fields that you'll find in the left-hand sidebar. pdfFiller makes it easy to sign a PDF by typing, drawing, uploading the image of your signature, and more. You can also customize the font of your signature to your preferences. Once signed, place a date on your document. After you've made all necessary edits, save your document or select your preferred export method. Let's share a document with another user. Enter the recipient's email address and set notifications and permissions. Select an authentication method if you need to add an extra layer of security. You can customize your email notifications by displaying your logo, crafting a personalized message and subject line, or choosing from 3 pre-made templates. Set up automatic reminders to prevent your document from getting lost in the recipient's inbox. Then, share your document in a single click. If you need to change the order of pages in your PDF, click Rearrange. You can rotate, add, duplicate, delete, and move pages as needed. It only takes a few seconds to apply changes to your document before you can export it using one of the available methods. pdfFiller provides multiple sharing options, including email, fax, and SMS. You can also share a document via a link so other users can complete it from any device. To publish your PDF online, configure access and notification settings first. Then, protect a document with a password if needed, and set additional security parameters. Customize your message and select a payment method if applicable. Finally, activate and copy your document link, generate a QR code, embed a document in your website, or share it via a mobile app. With pdfFiller, you can easily convert your documents to popular formats and save them on your device or in the cloud storage. You can also use pdfFiller to complete complex tasks like bulk data extraction and form filling. The integration with the Notarize service allows you to engage in a video call with an online notary without leaving pdfFiller. But first, you must verify your identity for security purposes. Monitoring user activity and changes to your documents is possible with the Audit feature. It generates a comprehensive report for any given period, detailing all activities with timestamps.